Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, go back to home screen, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, check your internet connection. After check your internet connection is worked properly, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and update, click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. Click on reset network settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.